And I don't recommend anybody invest in the S&P 500 anymore.
And I just really think people will invest in the S&P 500. And again, congratulations. You've done very well over the last
Yeah.
10, 15, 20 years. But you don't realize that 5, 10 years ago, that index was, I'm going to say, a lot safer because it was more diversified. But I don't think a lot of people realize now the risk that they are taking by investing in the S&P 500 because they're looking at prior returns. And we all know that prior returns don't necessarily equate to future success.
And that's until they don't realize that as that goes higher in dollars, a 20% drop is a much higher decrease in dollars than the gain you got when it was $50,000. They just don't get that. And then they panic and their emotions kick in and they do that. So it's you've got to understand. And I don't recommend anybody invest in the S&P 500 anymore. It's just too expensive. Maybe it goes up a little bit higher, but it's just too expensive. I mean, it's just not a great thing in the S&P 500.